students, today we are going to take book C, okay, book C exercises, okay, lesson 9 and 10 we are going to do. Okay, now take book C, page number 36, 9th lesson, man of science. Okay, see, replace the words, vocabulary junction, replace the words in bold with correct portmanteau words and rewrite the sentence. What is mean by portmanteau? We learned that, yes, blending words, which means two words from the first part of the first word and second part of the word, which can both combine and we can frame the new word. It is portmanteau. Yes, see first one. Eric parked his car in front of a hotel on the highway. See hotel, hotel in bold. Hotel on the highway. Hotel on the highway we can say, yes, motor plus hotel, motel. So first one answer is motel. You want to strike out hotel on the highway. Hotel on the highway. Hotel on the highway you want to strike out, then you want to write motel. See, motel and went inside looking for a room to spend the night. So the sentence is over. After that in is given. So you want to strike out the in also. Next, second one. It is difficult to drive in Delhi on a winter night due to smoke and fog. See, smoke, fog. We can combine and frame the word. Yes, smog. What we want to strike out? Smoke and fog. Smoke and fog we want to strike out and write smog. Okay, next one. Works like an alcoholic. See, works like an alcoholic. You want to strike the word works like an alcoholic. See, work, alcoholic. To combine and form workaholic. Okay, so third one is a workaholic. Workaholic. Okay, next you want to strike works like an alcoholic. That one you strike and write is a workaholic. Okay, next fourth one. We are going to watch a film in the new multiple complex. See, multiple complex, both combine and form multiplex. So strike out the word multiple complex and write multiplex. Multiplex. Okay, next fifth one. Very angry. Okay, very angry when she hungry and doesn't find anything to eat. How we can change this sentence? Nazin gets very angry will not come. You want to strike out very angry and write hungry. Hungry. Hungry and angry changes into hungry. Okay, then when she hungry, hungry is there. So hungry already we joined here. So you want to just cut down the hungry. You want to cut down the hungry. Then you want to write wants to eat. Wants to eat. Okay. Wants to eat and does not find anything to eat is there, right? So you want to strike out the to eat and write at hand. Okay, hungry plus angry changes into hangry. For that we are changing the sentence also for the meaning. Okay, next one, page number 37. Write down the words that combine. Okay, these also you want to split the words. See, shopaholic, shopaholic. How we can change the word? Shop plus alcoholic. So first one answer is shop plus alcoholic. Okay. Next, second one, biopic. Biopic. What are the two words are combined here? Biography plus picture. So biography plus picture. Both combine and form a word biopic. Okay, next one, fantabulous. Fantabulous means fantastic, fantastic plus fabulous. Fantastic plus fabulous is equal to fantabulous. Okay, next one, brunch. Fourth one, brunch is given. Brunch means breakfast and lunch. So breakfast plus lunch. Next, fifth one, netizen. Netizen means internet plus citizen. Internet plus citizen is netizen. Okay, next one, cosplay. Cosplay means costume plus play. Okay, costume plus play is cosplay. Cosplay. Okay, next one, pronunciation junction. Okay, see, pronunciation junction. Put the given words in the correct column according to the pronunciation of the double consonant. We learned, right? What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Except these 5 letters, all alphabets are called consonants. So, if there is 2 consonants but pronounced as one sound, okay, that we learn in the pronunciation junction of lesson 9. Yes, let me do this. First one, challenge. See, that tabular column pronounced as a single consonant. Single consonant means double consonant as pronounced as one single. Okay, pronounced as 2 consonant. What in the word we can pronounce as it is. So, 2 tabular column is here. So, we want to find the words. First one, challenge. See, challenge. You want to pronounce the word so that only you are able to find the answer. Challenge. It is single pronunciation. So, in the first side you want to write challenge. It is single, okay? And other side is double. Okay, next one. Yellow. Yellow. So, it is also single. So, you want to write here. Next, third one. Unnatural. Unnatural. So, 2N. 2N is pronounced here. See? Unnatural. See, both N are pronounced here. Okay, next one, unnamed. This also as like the unnatural, unnamed. So, both consonant, both N is pronounced here. But here see, LL is pronounced as single pronunciation. L, yellow, right? Yes, next one, soulless. Soulless also we are pronouncing double. Soulless. Okay. Next one, accept. Accept also accept. We are pronouncing as double. Accept. Next one, message. Message we are pronouncing single. Message. We are not saying message, right? Message. Single pronunciation. Next one, misspell. Misspell. So, we are pronouncing as double. Misspell. Okay, misspell. Okay, next one, happen. Happen we are pronouncing as single. So, H-A-P-P-E-N, happen. Okay, next one, accelerate. Accelerate. So, we are pronouncing as double. Accelerate. Accelerate. Okay, next one, puring. Puring we are pronouncing as single. Okay, purring. Okay, next one, swimming. Swimming also the same. Swimming. Okay, next one, accident. Accident. We are pronouncing double. Okay, next one, irregular. See, irregular. Irregular we are pronouncing this. Singular. Irregular. Okay, next one, office. Office also we are pronouncing in single. Okay. So, we in the consonant sound we are pronouncing single and also double. When we get pronunciation, when we practice pronunciation only, we are able to find these differences. Okay, now next page number 38. Read the dialogue between Rinku and her father. You will notice that both of them use incorrect intensifiers. See what is meant by intensifiers? Intensifiers means it can say the sentence very strongly. Yes, already we learned this, right? நல்ல ஸ்ட்ராங்கா சொல்றதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ற வேர்ட்ஸ் தான் என்னது? Rather, enough, at all. Yes, all these we learned, right? Yes, these are the words of intensifiers. Okay. Yes. First one, Rinku. Dad, I have just heard something very incredible. See, very is given here. Very will not suitable for this sentence. So, we want to strike out very in the first sentence, first dialogue. So, we want to write absolutely. Absolutely. Okay, absolutely. Okay, next, Dad. What's that, Rinku? And Rinku, my friend Vanilla told me that nowadays robots operate upon people in hospitals. Is it true? Then Dad is saying the answer, well, a lot of research is going on in this field, though doctors have started using robots in operation. In the operation, the doctors are using robot like that. The Dad is explaining him. Okay, the latter haven't absolutely replaced doctors yet. See, absolutely it is not suitable. Okay, it is not saying the strong feeling to this line. So we can change the absolutely into, strike out the absolutely. Then you want to write completely. Completely, the doctors are using the robot for operation. Okay, next one, Rinku. Oh yes, it's amazingly interesting. See, amazingly interesting, it is not correct. So, very interesting. Amazingly, you want to cut down and write very interesting. Cut down amazingly and write very interesting. Okay, next. Please tell me more about it, Dad. Next, Dad is saying, okay, in January 2015, a robot called Da Vinci 11 was used in a surgery at the Royal Marsden Hospital in London. It was a surgical robot fitted with multiple hands. Then Rinku, wow, that's so amazing. See, so amazing. Adanala amazing. It is not correct in this sentence. So, what we can say? It is really amazing. Unmayave idu super ah irundhudu. Okay, really. So, you want to strike out so and write really. Okay, in the next, Dad, no, it was hand operated by 2 doctors. It functioned as the extension of the doctor's hand. In some operation, it is necessary to make small keyholes. The holes are so small. It is not fixed here. So small. So small சொல்ல மாட்டோம். Too small. ரொம்ப சின்னதா இருந்தது. அதனால சின்னதா இருந்ததுன்னு சொல்ல மாட்டோம். ரொம்ப சின்னதா இருந்தது. So small. You want to strike the so and you want to write too small. Okay. Then to be made by human hands, usually so sophisticated. So will not come. Very sophisticated. Okay, very sophisticated. So will not come here. Okay, next one, Rinku, I see. That's what Vanilla mean by robots performing operations. I thought robots carry out an entire operation on their own. Well, science and technology. Now Dad is saying, well, science and technology is advancing too fast. Not too fast, so fast. So you want to strike out the too and write so fast. Okay, so fast that you might see it happening in the near future. Rinku, I am amazingly sure. Not amazingly sure, absolutely. So you want to write absolutely. Strike out the amazingly. Strike out the amazingly and write absolutely. Okay, yes, sure about that, Dad. Okay, now I am going to give you a homework. First one, writing junction. See, now take page number 39. Read that thing carefully. Okay, news report. Already we learned about news report. The news report should be carry this the simple instruction or one paragraph should be very clear and the fresh points we want to give. Yes, like that we will learn in the book B, right? According to that you want to write news report for this. Okay, see here one lab is there, there is one professor is there and he is going to his daughter's marriage, okay, wedding, okay, for the wedding function. At that time one thief entering into his laboratory. At that time the news reporter can watch it and put it in the newspaper, so that she is collecting the news report. Then you want to frame the news report. Okay, yes. Next, now take page number 40, comprehension junction. It is also already you know, right? You want to read the poem clearly and find the meaning for this poem, and the question is given. Okay, for that question you want to answers. Okay, give the answer for that question. And self assessment you are know. You want to, if reading comprehension, see first one, reading comprehension. Reading comprehension, if you are able to read means you want to put on my own. உன்னால முடியும்னா on my own போடணும். இல்லை என்னால் ரீட் பண்ண முடியாது, நான் யாரோட ஹெல்ப்பால் தான் ரீட் பண்ண முடியும்னா with help. Like that you want to do the remaining hours also. Okay, now let me move to the 10th lesson, the marvelous homework and housework mission. Yes, the marvelous homework and housework mission exercise. Okay, vocabulary junction. First one, underline the idiom in each sentence and choose the correct option to explain the meaning of the idiom. Okay, for the meaning of the idiom we want to choose the correct answer. Okay, first one, the authority's decision. Idioms we know, right? What is mean by idiom? It has the specific meaning. Okay, specific meaning, and it makes the reading very interesting. Okay, yes. The authority's decision to arrest the college president opened a can of worms. See, opened a can of worms. You want to underline that word, opened a can of worms. What is mean by this? Yes, second one, it made the matter more complicated. College president arrest பண்ணது ரொம்ப காம்ப்ளிகேட்டடாக ஆயிட்டு. ஸோ இட் மேட் த மேட்டர் மோர் காம்ப்ளிகேட்டட். செகண்ட் ஒன் இஸ் த ஆன்சர். ஸோ யூ வாண்ட் டு டிக் த செகண்ட் ஒன். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், second one, the actor's visit was supposed to be confidential, but someone had already let the cat out of the bag. Did you remember this word? Yes, let the cat out of the bag. You want to underline? It is a idiom. Let the cat out of the bag. What is the meaning for this word? Yes, third one, someone had already disclosed the information. First one answer is second one, and second one answer is third one. Okay, next, third one. When Rohan's parents questioned him about his poor performance in school, he started shedding crocodile tears. Yes, what we want to underline here? What is the idiom here? Yes, shedding crocodile tears. What is the answer? He pretended to be sad. Okay, so second one is the answer. He pretended to be sad. Next one, next page, page number 43. Rahul's business started off pretty well, but after the war it has gone to the dogs. See, gone to the dogs. See, this is the idioms here. What is the meaning for this idiom, gone to the dogs? It has detroited. Detroited na mosam adanjittu, romba mosama poitu business. Okay, so detroited. So first one is the answer. Okay, next, fifth one. Akhil's father never lets him do what he wants. As a result, he leads a dog's life. See, leads a dog's life. It is the idiom here. What is the meaning for this idiom? Yes, third one. He has an unhappy life. Third one. He has an unhappy life. Okay, next one. Listen carefully. It is a jumbled word. You want to find the word, jumbled letters are given here. You want to find the word, what it is. Okay, first one. Some letters are jumbled here. Yes, the study and design of robots and software. What is this? Yes, first one is artificial intelligence. artificial intelligence. This is the spelling jumped there. Okay, artificial intelligence. Okay, next B, C, D, E. This is your homework. You want to read the clues and also find the word what it is. Okay, yes. Next one, pronunciation junction. This also listen carefully. You are just going to fix the box letters with the blanks. Okay, first one I am going to do, remaining is your homework. We have dash rose bushes in our garden. நாங்கள் ரோஸ் புஷஸ் என்ன செஞ்சுருக்கோம் எங்கள் கார்டனில் நட்டு வச்சுருக்கோம் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு பிளான்டட். ஸோ PL is come here. So planted. Okay, this is easy, right? So remaining is your homework. Okay, next one, grammar junction. Choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. Okay, first one, dash dogs seldom bite. We all know what? Barking dog. So third one is the answer for the first one. Third one. Okay, next one. He sat in an armchair dash a magazine. Armchair la உட்கார்ந்திருக்கான். உட்கார்ந்து என்ன செய்வான்? மேகசினை என்ன செய்றான்? ரீட் பண்றான். ரீட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கான். So it is present. Present participle. Yes, we learned, right? Yes, in the last class we learned, right? Yes, present participle. So reading. Reading means third one. This also third one is the answer. Next, third one. Dash his actions, he bowed his head. For what action he bowed his head? Yes, regretting. So it is second one, regretting. Next, fourth one. Are you interested in dash in Africa? Africa வாழ்றது உனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கா? உனக்கு இன்ட்ரெஸ்டா இருக்கா? So living. So answer is first one. Okay, next, fifth one. Dash by the honking car, the baby started crying. Honking car. Horn கார்ல வந்து honk பண்றது அந்த பேபி என்ன செஞ்சிட்டு பயந்துட்டு frightened. So second one, frightened. Okay, now second Roman letter. Use the verbs in the given sentence in their non-finite form to write new sentence. Okay, we want to change the sentence into new with the non-finite form. See, I play tennis every day. So that we are giving one name. J likes to play cricket on weekends. For that non-finite verb we want to write. Yes, next one. He speaks well and likes to be appreciated. He speaks well. அவன் நல்லா பேசுவான், அவனுக்கு வந்து அது பிடிச்சிருக்கு. Okay, like this we want to use the verb and we want to change it into non-finite form. Okay, see, speaking fluent English is a must if you attend to if you want to pass the interview. Interview la pass பண்ணனும்னா fluent English பேசணும். Okay, next one. Asoka leaves for office yearly. See, how we can change into non-finite? Yes, he is leaving for Singapore tomorrow. So that he leave office yearly. Okay, yes, next one. We often visit our relatives. We often visit our relatives. Everyone wanted to visit the national park. Yes, next one. I travel every month. I travel every month. She loves to travel and explore new places. Okay, so you want to copy it in your book. Then poem comprehension. See, comprehension junction. As usual, you want to read the poem carefully and then you want to find the meaning for that poem. Then question is given in the back. For that question from the poem, you want to answer that question. And also self-assessment. If you are able to do means on my own you want to put tick. If you are not able to do with the help of others only you are able to do means you want to put the tick in with the help. Okay, okay students, I give homework. What are the homework is poem comprehension and in page number 43 second Roman letter and pronunciation junction, that PL like that you want to put, and in the lesson 9 poem comprehension page number 41 and also page number 39 writing junction you want to write the news report. Okay, from this concept. Okay, Okay, okay students, I hope you all understand this topic. Thank you students.